Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Negril in Jamaica. Now Negril is a very important town in Jamaica. It's a major tourist town and a major earner of foreign exchange through tourism for Jamaica. So because of this, they have plans to make Negril into a city. They want to make Negril a municipality. So Negril has grown over the years. It has grown to the point where half of Negril is in Westmoreland and controlled by the Westmoreland Parish Council. And part of Negril is in Hanover and controlled by the Hanover Parish Council. So in order to get Negril controlled by one entity, they have plans to make Negril into a municipality. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on these plans. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, has highlighted the need for Negril to have its own local authority, which will enable the town to better manage its affairs. The Prime Minister, who was speaking to the members of the Negril business community and other stakeholders, said the resort town has outgrown its current governance structure, posing challenges both to infrastructure and administration. Negril as a town is growing far beyond its infrastructure. It is also growing far beyond the system set up for local governance. Our system is that the towns are within a parish and the boundaries determine which local authority has control over the town, Mr. Holness said. We will now have to do the necessary consultations and make the necessary legislative changes to give Negril its own municipality. Towns and cities must be managed from a local level, he added. The Prime Minister said that due to the growth and expansion of Negril, the town has crossed over from Westmoreland into Hanover, leaving a question as to who is in charge. Based on all the communications I have received, the stakeholders want to do things for themselves in Negril. I know there will be a challenge because of the parish boundaries, but we will have to work that out. Currently, both Westmoreland and Hanover can take ownership, leaving a question as to who really is in charge, he added. Mr. Holness said that while there have been discussions on the matter in the past, it was time to give Negril its own municipality. I know when we talk about this, especially for those who don't live in Negril, there are indeed questions as to why we would want to do this and upset the governance architecture that currently exists, the Prime Minister added. Where the problem lies is where the solution should be. If the proper structure is put in place, I am convinced you could see an improvement in how the town is managed. Negril is going through what Portmore went through, to manage its own affairs. Any superior authority should empower the residents to do things for themselves. Negril has also outgrown not only its physical infrastructure, but its management structure, Mr. Holness further noted. Negril, renowned for its stunning beaches and vibrant tourism industry, has experienced unprecedented growth in recent years. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. And you can see how developed Negril has been as we drive through. Alright guys, let us know what you think about Negril becoming a municipality. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.